everybody, welcome to the 75th episode of Chesa Sneak Peek. Now we are standing here at Courtyard Square Park and I am here with Daniel Boothe, who is the music director and conductor for Symphonicity. He's also on Chesapeake's Fine Arts Commission, so thank you Daniel for all your participation. And Symphonicity will actually be performing on Wednesday, which is our Day of Remembrance. We'll start it off at 8:30 a.m. at City Park with a memorial ceremony, and then in the evening, starting at 4 p.m. at Food Trucks on the Square, we will have a concert by Symphonicity, which will begin between 6 and 7 o'clock. So Daniel, tell us about Symphonicity.
Well, Symphonicity started back in 1981, so we're 39 years old, and it's a community orchestra based out of Virginia Beach, but it's made up of members from all over Hampton Roads. We meet weekly to present music. These musicians volunteer their time to present music to the community throughout the year.
Wonderful. And what can we expect from their performance on Wednesday?
Well, we have performed all over Hampton Roads with different kinds of classical music, but for this performance it's going to be more of a patriotic Americana kind of program. It's going to feature music of folk songs of America, but also music that's a tribute to our military. We're going to feature two singers, Cassandra Howard and Brian Nevden, in music from The Wizard of Oz. Also a beautiful duet called Nella Fantasia, which many know as Gabriel's Oboe. And we're going to have some Pharrell Williams in there as well.
Oh, fun. That sounds
Absolutely.
exciting. Well, thank you so much. We hope that you can join us and listen to Symphonicity out at Food Trucks on the Square, right behind us at Courtyard Square Park on Wednesday. Daniel, thank you so much. We're looking forward to it.
Thank you very much. We'll see you there.
Coming up this week in Chesapeake, on Tuesday at Rivercrest Community Center, we have a Medicare information series from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. This is for our 55 and better community. On Wednesday, September 11th, this is our Day of Remembrance. So we will be having a memorial ceremony at the Chesapeake 9/11 Memorial at City Park. This will begin at 8:30 a.m. If you're unable to attend in person, we will also be live streaming this on Facebook. And then in the afternoon on Wednesday, Food Trucks on the Square will be returning at Courtyard Square Park, which is right behind City Hall where we are standing right now. And Symphonicity will be playing. The event will be starting at 4 p.m. The concert will be starting around 6 p.m. Rolling on the River will be on Thursday at Elizabeth River Park from 5 p.m. to dusk. This is your second chance for food trucks this week. And the deadline to register for the 55 and better Pig Pickin will be this Friday. The Pig Pickin itself is on Friday, September 20th. It is $7 a person and it is held at City Park. The rescheduled Chesapeake Recycles Day will be on Saturday. This will be held at Sam's Club in Western Branch and it will be from 9 a.m. to noon. You can check out last week's Chesa Sneak Peek to find out all of the items that will be accepted at this recycling event. And there will also be a guided nature walk on Saturday. This will be at Northwest River Park from 9 to 11 a.m. It is free, it is open for all ages, and we do ask that you register in advance. At Elizabeth River Park, also on Saturday, we have Saturday Sundays with the Back Bay Amateur Astronomers. They will be out there from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And Saturday evening, we have Movie and More at City Park. The movie this month will be Mary Poppins Returns. The event begins at 6 p.m. with inflatables, face painting, lots of fun activities for the kids, and the movie will begin around dusk. And finally, Saturday evening, we have our first Rokeby social night. This will be for the 55 and better community at Rokeby Center. The event will be from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. It is $5 at the door, includes a live band, dancing, and light refreshments. We just ask that you call if you are interested in advance. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We hope you check out some of these great events, and we will see you next week.